So we've been having an absolute blast on the Celebrity Beyond, and today I'm telling you everything you need to know about your upcoming cruise vacation. Debuting in April of 2022, Celebrity Beyond is the third ship in the Edge class series of cruise ships. She was designed to captivate the hearts of the next generation of cruisers. Beyond impresses with her striking design featuring a wide array of technologies, amenities, activities, and dining venues on board. This ship has a very unique combination of boldness, muscularity, and elegance. The stacks of the Beyond glisten in the sun like the tailpipes of a sports car, while her unconventionally straight bow enhances efficiency and maneuverability through the heavy seas. The 90-ton magic carpet hovers in the air from the side of the ship, offering a unique experience of floating above the ocean, and the flat windows of the infinite verandas create a very smooth and elegant exterior. Picture yourself stepping on board a floating masterpiece that exhibits exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail in every corner. The ship's asymmetrical design is most evident in the 3-story Eden restaurant and lounge, as well as the jogging track that rises and falls between the upper decks. As you step inside, you'll immediately feel the warmth and elegance of the Grand Plaza, a central hub where the ship's contemporary design meets entertainment. It's surrounded by bars, lounges, and dining venues. The entire ship boasts a world-class art collection featuring works from renowned artists around the globe, including sculptures, paintings, modern photography, and hidden lighting that adds a touch of elegance and culture to your vacation. Beyond is both smart and beautiful, earning a 10 out of 10 rating for design, efficiency, and passenger traffic flow. Even when sailing at full capacity, I didn't notice any slowdowns or bottlenecks. The ship's layout intelligently links the main dining room at the back with a 3-story atrium in the middle and the theater at the front, creating a network of bars, shops, and public spaces. You can stop by for a martini, get a cup of coffee, or listen to some music on your way to dinner or a show without having to go out of your way too much. The top deck area is designed similarly, with the pool located in the center, the rooftop garden and sunset bar at the aft, and the walking track that rises and lowers between the top decks. It's a brilliant design that I can't get enough of. If you're looking for a full walking tour showcasing all of the areas and details of the Celebrity Beyond, I'll link a video for you above that you can watch after this one. One of the most iconic features of the Celebrity Beyond and any other Edge class series of cruise ships is the magic carpet. This floating platform moves up and down the ship, transforming it into different venues throughout the day. Whether you want to sip on a drink and enjoy some sparkling ocean views during the day, or have an unforgettable dinner with panoramic views, the magic carpet offers a very unique experience. It even turns into a tender station if needed. The fitness center on the Beyond is impressive. It's a very good size, offering numerous machines and beautiful views. It's one of the very few areas on the Celebrity Beyond that allows you to look at the front of the ship. They even have chilled towels, which is a really nice touch. This gym is located right above the spa, which provides a wide range of services including haircuts and massages. However, what won me over about this area was the thermal suite. It became one of my favorite parts of the cruise, offering a little piece of heaven with rainfall showers, Turkish sauna, salt rooms, and so much more. If you want to know more about thermal suites on the Celebrity Beyond, I'll link a video for you above that's going to give you all of the details. Trust me, it's an amazing area, and if you're into this sort of thing, definitely check out the video I linked for you above.
So the onboarding process on the Celebrity Beyond was an absolute blast. To be honest with you, I've never really had such a smooth and easy process before. My time was 11 because I checked in early. As soon as we got to the port, we basically dropped off our bags and we started walking. And as soon as we started, we never really stopped. We went through security, we checked in, and we just kept going. There was absolutely no waiting time, so I have to give the boarding process literally a 10 out of 10. It was amazing.
Now let's talk about the staterooms. Celebrity Beyond offers a wide array of staterooms at sea, ranging from a single room to a suite that can accommodate up to 10 guests. Veranda is what Celebrity calls their balcony rooms. Beyond, as part of the Edge-class series of ships, only offers 3 veranda categories. Essentially, if you book an infinite veranda on either side of the ship, you will not have a traditional balcony. Only suites, porthole verandas, and rooms at the very back of the ship, referred to as sunset verandas by Celebrity, have traditional balconies. So if you're sailing on the Beyond, there is a good chance you might not have a traditional balcony. Now, some people do not like these rooms, other people love these rooms. It's a very controversial design. To be honest with you, personally, I do like the design. It feels much more spacious compared to other cruise ships. It features a king-size bed, ample closet space, a large shower, and a comfortable toilet. If you're interested, I have a detailed video that showcases every type of veranda room on this ship. The deciding factor for many will be whether you enjoy the infinite veranda or require a traditional balcony. Which one do you like more? Let me know in the comments down below, and make sure you check out that video I linked for you above if you aren't sure. And by the way, my name is Tom Sunday. I make weekly cruise videos. I'm an independent YouTuber and always pay my own way. My mission is to provide you with all of the information needed to decide which cruise ship is right for you. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Let's talk about Eden, the heart and soul of the Celebrity Beyond. This multi-level, botanically inspired venue is located at the very back of the ship. During the day, it offers a tranquil space to relax with a drink while enjoying some really nice views. As the night falls, Eden transforms into a vibrant space with immersive performances and culinary delights. It includes a bar, a performance space, and one of my favorite restaurants on the high seas. Eden Cafe and Restaurant serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they're absolutely fantastic in every single way. To be honest with you, Eden Restaurant is one of my favorite places to eat out of almost all cruise ships I've ever been to. So if you're sailing on the Beyond, besides La Voyage, Eden is another restaurant that I highly recommend. Make sure to reserve yourself a table at least one of the nights that you're sailing on the Beyond. Speaking about food, the Celebrity Beyond offers a culinary journey like no other, with over 25 dining options on board. From Michelin-starred chefs to globally inspired restaurants, your taste buds are in for a treat. To summarize the free options on the Beyond, there are 4 main dining rooms, a buffet called Ocean View Cafe, and a variety of eateries offering salads, sandwiches, ice cream, burgers, pizza, desserts, and so much more. You can choose to elevate your dining experience by opting for the paid restaurants, including La Voyage, Eden, Fine Cut Steakhouse, Le Petit Chef, Rooftop Grill, La Grande Bistro, and Raw on 5. There's also a chef's table experience offered once or twice per cruise. Aqua and Retreat guests have access to 2 restaurants exclusively called Blue and Lumine. Overall, the free dining options on the cruise receive a rating of about a 7 or maybe an 8 out of 10 for average eaters. However, food enthusiasts may want to opt for the paid options to make sure that they elevate their dining experience to a 9 or even a 10 out of 10 in some cases. For more detailed information about the food options, I recommend checking out a food video I have for you above. This is the ultimate dining guide to Celebrity Beyond, and it'll give you all of the information that you need to know on this cruise ship. Now let's turn our attention to entertainment on the Celebrity Beyond. You'll find plenty of bars, lounges, a multi-venue club, and a full theater showcasing a variety of productions. The shows were very good, on par or above what you'd expect from other cruise ship performances. While they may not be as extravagant or full of flashy stuff like shows on the Royal Caribbean mega ships, there were plenty of Broadway-style shows, musicals, and comedians that entertained guests in the theater. To be honest with you, my favorite shows were at the club, This is sort of like a hidden gem, I would suppose, because they have their own production shows as well, which are really entertaining and allow you to sit at the front and sort of be involved in the show. It's super interesting, and I highly recommend you check it out at least one time on your cruise if you're sailing on the Beyond. Another area where the entertainment on the ship truly shines are the parties that are held at the Grand Plaza. Cruise Director Lewis and his crew were absolutely fantastic. There were plenty of parties, game shows, dance classes, and many other performances. My favorite was the Martini Glass Show that was held by some of the highest officers on the ship. It was really nicely done. I love the parties in the Grand Plaza. One area where the Celebrity Beyond truly stands out is in its service and crew. I have sailed on many cruise ships, and the Beyond does not disappoint. This ship is led by a talented crew of professionals who bring wealth of knowledge and experience to the table. From Captain Kate, Cruise Director Lewis, and the rest of the staff, you are in great hands. The cruise service deserves a perfect score of 10 out of 10. If I could give them more, I would. They were both professional and welcoming, treating us like family and making our cruise experience very special. Personally, I believe Celebrity Beyond is great. It's one of my favorite cruise ships in the Celebrity fleet. She provides one of the best cruise experiences you can get with Celebrity. I give my overall experience a 9 out of 10, and I'm confident that you'll have a great time cruising on this ship as well. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.